Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps like CoinPop. They assume it's either easy money or an instant scam. But here's the truth no one tells you. The reality is more in the middle, and understanding how it actually works in 2026 can save you a lot of time and frustration. In this video, you'll learn what CoinPop really is, whether it is legit or not, how it pays users, how much you can realistically earn, and the mistakes that stop most people from cashing out successfully. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the exact earning strategy that most users completely miss. Let's start with the basics. CoinPop is a mobile rewards app that pays users for installing and playing games. You earn points based on how long you play certain partnered games. Those points can later be exchanged for rewards like PayPal Cash or gift cards depending on your region. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Yes, CoinPop is a legit app in the sense that it does pay real users. But the key detail is the earning rate. It is not a high-income app. It is designed for small rewards in exchange for your time and attention, not full-time income. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect fast earnings, install random games, and stop playing too early. CoinPop tracks engagement time. So if you don't meet the required play duration, your earnings will be very low, or may not register properly. Let's take an example. Imagine Alex installs a game and plays only 5 minutes. He will earn very little. But Jake plays consistently, for longer sessions, as required by the app. Jake will accumulate points much faster, because he follows the game requirements properly. Now let's talk about withdrawal. CoinPop usually has a minimum threshold before you can cash out. Once you reach that limit, you can redeem your points for rewards like PayPal or gift cards. But processing time can vary, so don't expect instant payouts every time. Here's another important insight. The app works best when you rotate through high-paying games instead of sticking to just one. New game offers often pay more, so checking the app frequently gives you better earning opportunities. Now here's the honest verdict. CoinPop is legit, but it is not a get-rich app. It is a casual side earning tool. If you use it correctly, you can earn small rewards during free time. If you expect big money, you will be disappointed. To wrap it up, CoinPop in 2026 is real, it pays users, and it works as intended. But your results depend entirely on how you use it. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your experience using reward apps, and subscribe for more honest app reviews and earning breakdowns.